Okay, good evening guys. This is a short video to let you know about the activities we have to do this week. We didn't have class yesterday, Monday, so these are basically three things that you should pay attention to. One, remember we're doing Dexway, okay? And in Dexway we are doing Unit 3. In Unit 3 you have 4 lessons, so you try to complete these lessons. The vocabulary, the grammar, and the pronunciation that you do in Dexway can help you through the process of the course. So remember, Unit 3, Dexway. That's one thing. Second thing, remember we're doing activity number 3. We are doing challenge 2. In challenge 2, remember that the idea is that you're able to talk about what you do every day. You work, what time do you get up, what time do you finish job, your favorite activity, the activities you do to relax and everything. So you go to challenge 2, you go to the activity guide, okay, and then you go to this daily routine. In daily routine, you know that the exercise is this. This is a forum, okay? So you will hit an audio. This is the audio, okay? Then the teacher will pose 3 different questions. So if you go to the forum, you will see that the 3 questions are I have posed the 3 questions already. So you have question number 1. Listen and write Garrett's daily activities, and then what are your daily activities? Write at least 6. Then you have question number 2. Is Garrett a night or a morning person? Why? You have to explain why. And then what about you? Are you a night or a morning person, and why? And now question 3 is available. How does Garrett prefer to relax? How do you relax? How do you like to relax? Those are the 3 questions that you have to answer from this audio. Okay? Daily routine. Okay? That's the second thing. And finally, in the third thing, you go to the course, and you will find here in Challenge 2 websites, you will find different websites for you to practice, to do exercise. For example, we're going to see the different websites that you can use for practicing. So here you have everyday activities, vocabulary. There are a lot of activities and games. This is also with pictures and vocabulary. This is a very interesting one about this is a vocabulary game. And this is more of the same story, vocabulary and sentences, okay? And finally, in the exercise, in the website, in the course, you will find this video about daily routines. In this video, you will have the opportunity to learn about, for example, what other people are doing, okay? What other people do every day. Let's see. Let's wait for the, okay, now you can see it. Present simple, daily routine, and they start, like, for example, I wake up at 7 a.m. You have subtitles so you know what they are talking about. I get up at 7:30 a.m. Okay? Good. So, those are the 3 things for you to keep in mind this week. So remember, first, Unit 3, Dexway. Second, Activity 3, a forum. 3 questions, they are already available. And 3, websites and videos for you to practice. Okay? So have a nice day and see you next week in class. Bye.